Would you like to create professional social media content for your brand quickly? Let me show you how to do it with Vibepeak. First, go to the Tools section in Vibepeak and click on Property Showcase. Here you will find different templates for creating designs to promote your properties, both in vertical format for social media and in horizontal format for shop windows or screens. First, I'm going to create an image for my social media. To do that, I'll choose the dynamic collage template. Then I'll enter the details of my property, price, floor area, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or any other information you would like to highlight. Each template automatically adapts that information to the design. Next, I'll upload the images. First, select a main image, which will be used as the cover image for the post. Then add the supporting photos required by the template to show other rooms and details of the property. You can even add your estate agency's logo to personalize the result further. Finally, select the language, and in just a few seconds, your personalized design will be ready to download and publish. Now, I'm also going to create a version of this same property for the shop window. Simply click on Create a New Version, select the horizontal format and choose the template you like best. Then enter the new property details, and when you continue, you will see that the images you uploaded previously are already ready to generate this new version. You can replace any image or continue using the same ones. Select the language you would like to use, and in just a few seconds your image will be ready. And here you can see both results. It's that easy. In just a few minutes you can turn your property photos into professional posts ready to capture attention on social media with Vibepeak.